C8. That joint new too. No, that's a demon. C8. That joint new too. Fresh joint. Got the paper tags on it. I would try running, but I know he just got that joint. He ain't trying to race. Yeah, that joint nice. Fresh paper tags on that joint. Another C8, bruh. I haven't said nothing but C8s tonight, man. That's crazy. I went from never really seeing them joints to keep seeing them tonight. That's nice right there. It's a white and black one. Must have been some kind of Corvette convention or something going on that I missed. That's slick right there. That white and black is on point. Leave y'all comments. Should I bring a C8 to the channel? That's dope right there. I like that joint. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all another dealership Saturday. I saw a dealership that got a couple of supercars, look like some exotic cars out here. Hopefully, again, they don't call the police on me because it's like nobody out here and it's dark. So we're gonna get out here, man, look at these cars. I think I see a Hellcat. They definitely got some vets, but so y'all already know what it is, man. Let's go. As you can see, they got the Bentley jump right here. This jump mean too. Got a vet. It's just a Porsche. This vet supercharged. I think the last time I was out here, this vet was here. This jump like that. Got a Porsche, got a Mustang. And I see up in the showroom, look like they got another vet. That's probably a Z06. They got a Hellcat up on the left. Then they got another wide body Hellcat. No, that's a demon. That gotta be a demon. Yeah, that's a demon, bruh. Yeah, they got the demon up in there. Got the Lambo right here. That joke's stupid. So I gotta come up here during the day, man. I gotta check out that demon back there. See if they'll let me review that joint. This Lambo got the doors up. That's sweet. What else we got? We got right here, we got a McLaren right here. I just walked straight past the McLaren. That's crazy. That joint dirty too. They've been driving that joint. And don't ask me what McLaren this is, because you know I have no idea. Man, they done put bills outside on it. They must be neglecting this dealership. This must be a, what's this, a Maserati? Oh, this is a Jaguar. This is the Maserati right here. This joint sick. Silver joint. I say I ain't trying to get too close. I don't want no alarms to go off. You got the Audi right here. Got the AMG GLS right here. Range Rover. I hear dog barking. I don't know. Start hearing dogs barking. I'm start heading the opposite direction. Looks like they got GTR up there, a Bentley. I don't know where them dogs barking at, but I tell you what, when I hear dogs bark, that means time to go. Yeah, man, it's just a quick little dealership Saturday. I seen this dealership over here, and I came over here before. If you look through my videos, I came over here with my pops and did a dealership Saturday over here. But y'all see my joint sitting there looking sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna come back up here and check out this Demon. Definitely gotta go up there and check out that Demon, man. See if they'll let me review that Demon up in there. I just wanted to show y'all these whips. This is my first time seeing that Demon up here in that Lambo. So I'm gonna come back up here during the day and see if they'll let me do a review, or at least look at it, go inside that joint. But they definitely got some whips up here. Yeah, man, I started hearing dogs barking. It's time for me to get in my car. I ain't taking no chances. I'm definitely come back up here and see if they'll let me review that Demon. I doubt it, but hey, you never know until you ask. If you're new to the channel, I do a segment called Dealership Saturday where I go around and I look at different cars on the lot. A lot of people have bought cars watching my Dealership Saturday. Again, some people be saying I'm window shopping. And these videos are strictly for my viewers, man. Because a lot of people are looking for cars and it's hard to find cars nowadays. So these videos do well on my channel, so I'm gonna continue to do them as long as you guys will continue to watch them. The watch time and the views are pretty good on these videos, so I will continue to do the Dealership Saturday videos. So I hope y'all enjoying your weekend. I'm back from my vacation. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of videos and try to be more consistent. And I got a few things I'm gonna be doing in my car. So again, hit the like button, guys. I saw this dealership over here, man. I had to stop over here and see what they got. There's a couple more cars on the lot, but again, I heard dogs barking, and I don't play with no dogs, you know what I'm saying? So hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.